All right, ladies and gentlemen, last video for all of the packet. Okay, so you had 3 parts. This is question 16, 17, and 18 of part 3. The first question is a simple expression. You have what looks like the square root of 7, but it has a little 3 here, which means it's actually called the cubed root. All right, and then plus 10. So all you have to do is open your calculator, turn it sideways, and you will see a little button that looks like this. And it has a radical with an X underneath it, and then a little tiny 3 in front of it. That stands for cubed root. So type in 27, use your cubed root button, and then add 10, and that should give you the answer. Number 17. Number 17 is a transversal. So we got 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal. Now they're giving us this 120 degrees, and we actually practice this in class. If they give you one angle, you can find out all the other ones. Now remember, one of these lines this is a straight line. So if you know one angle, and these are supplementary, all right, meaning they together would have to add up to 180, then I can simply do 180 minus 120, and I get 60, so I know this angle has to be 60. From there, you can fill out all the rest of them. You can fill out, you know that angles that are straight across are 60. Angle straight across from 120 would be 120. And then don't forget we learned about alternate exterior angles, where if we have on the outside of the parallel lines on the alternate side of the transversal. All right, so you should be able to fill the rest of that in. And now to the very last question of the entire packet. It gives you a graph of a function, and it says which statement describes the function. They're asking you whether the slope is 0, undefined, increasing, or decreasing. Okay, so let's just do an example of all. In class, we've learned that if the slope of a line is going up, it's positive, it's increasing. If the slope of a line is going down, it's decreasing. If it is horizontal, then the slope would be 0. And undefined is when you have a vertical line. Okay, so take a look at your let me write this again. So this is increasing. This is decreasing. This would be 0 and undefined. So go ahead and take a look at your graph and see, or your function, and see which one that matches. If you have reached this phase, if you are now done with the packet and have watched these videos and they have helped you, I'm very proud of you, and I'm looking forward to working with you over the next couple of weeks and months to do school at home with Google Classroom. Great job, guys, for finishing the packet.